Time check, 1:50 a.m.
GPS.
Alright, so we've officially arrived in Quesnel.
Rolling in hard.
I'm not going to show you the car yet. So we are officially at the guy's house. I'm not going to disclose his location or anything like that. Just know we are very far away. So I don't know if you guys are ready for this. So I guess here we go. Oh yeah, that's the money right there. Really dig the blue interior.
Yeah, the seats are nice.
How you feeling?
Good so far. A couple things that I want to show Steven.
Yeah.
But, yeah, we definitely want to jack it up. Look
Yeah.
more. Definitely like, it's fun to look at. It's just like
I mean, hey, when you see this.
you just like look at like you pop the hood and people just be like, what the f?
Hey,
Why is the turbo on the wrong side?
hey, is this an RB20?
No man, it's KT.
KT, oh god.
What do you mean you're looking for on the rails or? Just there, kind of there.
Just a good thing to check.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to take it for a rip and then do a compression test. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh boys, rolling fender time.
Oh yeah. Steven, you're not stancing this car.
No.
You have one stance car
I
already.
really want to test 50 Ordens on this stuff. I think it'd be wild.
No, not your Laurel wheel. No. You're not putting those on.
Like, it would be excessive. It would be
Getting
so
deleted from the group. Not that much for a jet.
I've never seen that before. Is this factory or someone has this?
Yeah.
It looks like it's kind of like integrated in that.
That's it.
Okay. It's definitely been on there for a while. Like it's old.
Yeah.
Wow. That's been a long time.
Well, like it looks like it. Oh, never mind. I thought it was like integrated into the fender liner, but no, really.
Do you happen to have the auction sheet from when you bought the car?
Yeah, it wasn't ever auctioned.
Oh, that's right.
I go for another monster.
Travis, shut the fuck up. You're gonna die. Literally on the way back.
21, you're gonna die.
You know what?
That'll be the end of the video. Yeah, so Travis died. I'm taking over.
Doesn't get edited
Cause of
at
death.
all.
Good job, Steve. That clutch must be tough. You gotta run. A bunch of stuff. A little bit of a heavy clutch, eh?
Yeah. You get used to it though. It's not that bad.
Yeah?
You get used to it relatively quick.
Nice.
You would probably do the same thing in my car.
I definitely stalled it once or twice.
Yeah.
And getting stood going at lights is a little bit, you know, you gotta get used to it at first, but sweet.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, it didn't work out. They are not getting the car. That's not the car starting behind us right now. Steven definitely bought the car and we're leaving right now. We're pumped. So yeah, we're just gonna go. Steven's gonna transfer his insurance. We're gonna get some gas and we're gonna drive for another 7 hours to get home.
Did you like the noise? How did that sound?
You didn't even like open it up fully up though.
I did not hold it up. I definitely did not push it that hard. That sounds good. That sounds
How do you like it?
Oh man.
Are you haven't even driven your own car yet.
No. I'm gonna take it around the parking lot a bit.
Yeah. Okay. So a little. I mean, okay, it's obvious. It's a 1JZ. Simple.
It's a 1JZ.
It's a original Spec R S15, which means it came with a SR20 DET. S15, so it's notch top, blah blah blah. Rare color, what was it, 160 made in total?
Yeah, something around that number. The color is, yeah.
The color, it's the color. It's almost a full Nismo kit minus the rear bumper. It has a Type B interior, which is blue suede. Obviously we have the carbon hood. We also have the stock hood. It's got goodies. It's got some goodies.
Yeah,
some really nice goodies. BBS. They're a little not the right spec, but they're nice looking.
It's a little Honda spec, but
yeah, they're nice looking.
Yeah.
It also came with a carbon fiber APR wing. It came with a bunch of stock parts, which is good, especially with us with the VI situation down at home. It needs like a little bit of work, but nothing that we can't handle, right, Damien?
No.
It's easy.
This thing doesn't need a lot of work.
It's like shifter bushings.
There's some small things. Shifter bushing. Oh, I probably should lock this in.
Shifter bushing, little oil leak, right?
Shifter bushing. The oil pan's leaking because the people who sealed it didn't know how to use RTP. It has a slight misfire.
Oh,
I don't know. Not a really big deal though. You don't like. It's just at idle. It has a very slight miss.
Okay.
Probably the vacuum line situation is not ideal in there, so I don't know.
So we'll have to clean that up.
Yeah. It has a blow off valve, which is a problem.
Yes.
You can roast me all you want. I don't care. It sounds awesome with that one. So
yeah. Flutter all day.
What else is there really? There's a little squeak in the front. I think a bushing maybe here and there. Could be a front sway bar bushing.
Control arm
looks
bushing,
stock.
anything, right?
Yeah, control arm bushing, something like that. Most of the arms are stock. There's aftermarket rear.
GK Tech in the rear.
GK, yeah, rear camber arms, and I don't know if there's an aftermarket tow rod in the front. I didn't really look. Tow rod, sorry, I mean tension rod in the front. I didn't really look that well. Everything like works well. Like everything works. It doesn't have AC.
But we got all the parts for AC.
Yeah, we have the parts minus the compressor. We need a compressor.
Easy enough. Easy enough.
Yeah, and then besides that, it feels awesome. Like it drives amazing. Like it, on the road, the coilovers are really nice. It pulls really hard.
Yeah.
Like, dude, I haven't sent it yet, and it already like was kind of like wow.
Yeah.
Like
wow. So yeah, we are now going to do the 7-hour drive home. It's a nice day, so we are planning on driving the S15 down. Yeah, we're gonna get some rollers. Yeah, we're gonna cruise home, then we'll check in, see how everything is at home. And then, or maybe we will hit up the meet. We're not 100% sure on everything yet. I have not slept in 26 hours, I believe, so I'm definitely gonna be taking a little snoozer on the way home. Or just sleeping from like 8 p.m. till like 10:30 tomorrow morning, but we'll see. It's been a long day, eh, Brando?
That's correct.
That is correct. So yeah, once we start getting going, then I will pick this back up. That audio was probably so messed up, but that is a-okay.
oh my god, it sounds so good.
Uh-oh, it's starting to rain.
Yeah, wipers work.
This is. Oh, do they?
Yeah, there's some.
Nice. Steven is in a almost 400 horsepower
Yeah.
JZ rear-wheel drive car with a light-ass rear end in the rain.
Yeah, he's fully in safe mode right now. That's
Oh
for
yeah.
sure.
Yeah, he is taking her nice and easy. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Just wait for the brake lights. Oh yeah. Well, his wipers work. Yeah, you're right, Brandon. Good call, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Your hair looks freaking phenomenal. Oh, God.
He's pissing his pants. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I hope that hood bed doesn't mind rain.
Oh yeah.
I think it's far enough forward that it's just in front of you.
Probably. Wow. All right. Well,
Yeah,
this is gonna be uneventful. So
yeah, this is some pretty solid rain. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah. Yeah. Sure. Get all the bugs off the windshield at least.
First impressions?
How's your first impressions? of
It's a
your
piece of crap.
Yeah.
Absolutely stuff.
Garbage. Should we
Yeah.
just leave it here?
I think I'm gonna take it back home and sell it.
Okay.
Make some money and then, you know, buy another truck or something, like a diesel, and then just drag the diesel. No, I'm just kidding. This, I don't know. I'm speechless. It
How does it, like, how's the comfort levels? How's the power?
drives
Like,
phenomenal. Power gets scary at some point. Have you pulled through all the way to Redline? No.
You've been
And
like half
all
throttling
of my
the whole
pulls are half throttle.
Yeah.
I was way too.
Have you done a second gear pull yet?
No.
Oh my
No.
god.
What?
Dude, when I went second gear, it was pretty spicy. Like,
I'll have
still
to
for sale.
bleep you out again.
No, sorry.
That's alright.
I
Beep beep beep.
no, that. Oh man, I can't wait to see the footage of me just ripping past.
I don't know how it's gonna sound, but
Oh. When you guys pulled up and I was like, I was playing with it in that corner.
Yeah.
Do you just hear turbo?
it's like.
I'm gonna rock with
I finally
Okay, I'm
slept
gonna go
after
pee.
like 36 hours. Felt good.
Status update. How you feeling?
Oh, pretty good. I feel like 300 kilometers, that's for sure.
Okay, so we are back in Cache Creek. We're about 3-ish hours away from home, depending on the drive and everything. Yeah, how you feeling? Oh, Brandon already did this. Yeah, I finally got a little bit of sleep in, so that's kind of nice. I feel a lot better. I'm actually feeling like groggy after sleeping, so that's a good thing. So yeah, we're just gassing up, hopefully. I hope Steven gasses up. And then we're just gonna keep on driving back, and it's starting to rain, so kind of poopy. Oh, I swore. I'm out of it. So yeah, ooh, I don't know. I guess we'll probably just check back when we get back in, and then yeah, we'll end it there. So we'll see you when we're home.
Oh, here he goes. He's gonna do it.
Here comes the corn.
Here it comes.
There will be corn.
Steven, oh yeah, here he goes. Come nice and close to him. Get nice and
Here
close to him.
comes the corn.
Here we go. Give her the beans, buddy. Oh, he's worried about the curve. Oh yeah. He wants to give her. Wow.
Oh boy.
How are we doing, Travis?
Okay, I only almost killed them once. Oh, tunnel! Good timing.
Tunnel. There we go. All right, Steven, gear down. Gear down. I swear to God. Yep, he's doing it.
kind of held back on that one.
Yeah. Anyways, okay, so according to them, I almost killed them once because I don't understand how trucks work when you're going over slippery lines. But I freaking love this truck. It is so fun to drive. It's so nice.
Tell you're tired.
Yeah, my eyes getting puffy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I've only slept about an hour and 15 minutes in the last like 36 hours or something like that. It's
That's yeah, it's not
a little
good.
questionable. Why am I driving right now?
You see, you got a good
I'm
nap.
sorry.
I figured you'd be the best to go.
Yeah.
We're like, how much we got left here? We got, what is that? An hour, 33 minutes left.
Of our 7-hour journey. It's
Double
been-
7-hour journey.
yeah, true. So like I don't like these guys agree that it feels like we've been gone for like 3 days. We left at 2 a.m. today, which is Saturday. We left at 2 a.m. to do this. It's mind-boggling how much tiredness can confuse you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are home. It is the next day. We've slept, kinda. I slept for 11 hours and I'm still tired. Yeah. Yeah. So we're at Stevens because obviously the car is home. So voila.
Yeah, day 2 of Sylvia, as you can see, like the front bumper is just caked in bugs. So she's gonna get in full detail. We're gonna do a wash, probably a clay bar, wax, just clean it up, and then shift her bushings, double check the transmission fluid, and take her out for a rip.
Hell yeah. Okay, so there's not a whole lot going on. Steven's just detailing right now. This video is already probably pretty long, so I think I'm just gonna end it here. As per usual, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing,
And sharing.
and sharing. Expect to see a boatload of content on the S15. I'm assuming, right?
That's not last on Instagram.
Yeah. Make sure you follow Steven. I think if I did it right, everybody should have had pop tags, but who knows? Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Me and all the red lights keep on driving.